Automation platforms are the backbone of any passive income system. They take repetitive manual tasks, posting content, sending emails, tracking sales, updating spreadsheets, delivering products, and turn them into fully automated workflows that run in the background. These tools work by connecting your favorite apps and triggering actions whenever something happens. Instead of logging into 10 different platforms a day, automation tools manage the entire flow for you. They improve accuracy, eliminate human error, and allow your business to operate 24/7, even when you're asleep. Zapier is the simplest. Make is the most flexible. n8n is the most customizable. Together, they give you the power to build digital machines that scale without additional effort. Zapier is the easiest and most beginner-friendly automation tool, making it perfect for your first passive income automations. Its interface is clean and simple. You create a trigger when someone buys my digital product, and then set one or more actions. Send the customer an email, add them to my list, send me a Slack notification. Zapier integrates with thousands of apps, including Gmail, Stripe, Shopify, Notion, Google Drive, YouTube, WordPress, and more. You don't need any technical skills. Just choose your apps, connect your accounts, and define the steps. For passive income creators, Zapier is ideal for delivering products automatically, posting content on schedule, syncing customer data, and managing email sequences. The ease of use makes Zapier a must-have in your automation toolkit. Make, formerly known as Integromat, is an advanced automation platform designed for users who want more power, flexibility, and customization than Zapier offers. It uses a visual blueprint interface where you can drag, connect, and configure multiple steps, conditions, filters, loops, and data transformations. Make is ideal for creators who are scaling multiple income streams and need workflows that go beyond simple if this, then that logic. For example, you can build automations that scrape data, format text, update databases, batch process images, schedule posts across platforms, or run complex content pipelines. Make is also very cost-effective. It allows more tasks at lower prices, making it the best option when your system starts growing. If you plan to scale up, Make becomes essential. n8n is an open-source automation tool designed for creators who want full control over how their systems run. It combines the simplicity of no-code tools with the power of low-code customization, allowing you to integrate uncommon APIs, build deep logic, or create multi-step workflows tailored exactly to your business. You can self-host n8n for free or use their cloud version if you prefer simplicity. It's perfect for creators building large-scale automations, custom AI agents, API-driven products, or micro SaaS tools that require back-end logic. n8n gives you the freedom to create workflows that are not possible on Zapier or Make. If you're serious about automation or want to build a fully autonomous business, n8n becomes a high-leverage asset. Choosing the right automation tool depends on your skill level and goals. Zapier is perfect for beginners. It's fast, intuitive, and handles most daily workflows like email delivery, CRM updates, and content scheduling. Make is ideal once your business grows and you need more complex workflows or high-volume automation at lower cost. n8n is the best choice for advanced users who want total control, custom logic, or self-hosted automations for large-scale income systems. The key is to start simple and expand your automation stack as your income streams grow. No matter which tool you choose, the ultimate goal is to automate everything that's repeatable so your business earns money, even when you're not working.